how to buy Mubarak token. So this is another type of Mubarak token, but this token it's on Solana. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created just 7 hours ago and increased by 800% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 3 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address. Open your funds wallet for that. Now click on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now click on I understand. And now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive next to that token. Now to select the provider, click on pricing, click on provider here. Now select the Jupiter, for example, and click on apply. Now go back, make sure to read all that information here, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Mubarak token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.